I visit one of my viewers who sadly is having to sell his deceased father-in-law's collection of models and little mammoth steam engines. I'll show a little bit of that and I actually buy an engine and bring it home with us. Last week I was contacted by one of my viewers. Sadly his father-in-law had passed away and he was left with a massive collection of models. I went down and had a look and I actually bought this one, a little mammoth steam wagon. I've wanted one for a while. It's in original condition. It's all there. Even the burner's there. Little whistle, reversing gear. If I get time later on, I'll put some water in and fire it up. While I was there, I took quite a lot of video of the collection of engines. There was several mammoths, but there was a lot of hand-built wooden models of wagons and traction engines, and they were all decent sizes, and the detail is as good as I've seen anywhere, and that includes the model engineering exhibitions. I've never seen anything anywhere better. If anybody's got any interest in buying any of these models, if you send me an email, that's my email address up there, I'll pass your contact details onto the guy who's trying to sell them, and I'm sure he'll be able to come to some sort of arrangement. It's a strange feeling when you go and look at somebody's stuff like this. It's like it's not an uneasy feeling, but you feel you're looking across somebody's lifetime's work. A very, very humbling thing to do indeed. This is an auxiliary drive of a central steam wagon. It drives oil pumps in various bits and pieces. I've already built one of these. This is a different one, and all I've got to do is put it back together. There's a Woodruff key missing out of there, and there's also an ordinary parallel key missing out of there, so I've got two keys to make for it. Now, there's a nut like that missing there, 5/8 Whitworth. I'm sure when I got the bastard thing that both nuts were on. But I cannot find it, so I must have lost it basically. So what I'll do, I've got a bit of hexi bar here. In fact, there's enough to get two. I'll make a couple of nuts out of it. That happens to be stainless steel. It's no good crying, I'll just have to make two nuts. I won't be able to buy a castellated nut in that size, I don't think. So first thing I do is make the two nuts, and then go about making the Woodruff key and the plain key, and then bolt it all together. Splendid. in case now parting it off, and then we're going to put the slots in the castellations. Parting off stainless hexagon is not one of my favourite pastimes, especially when I haven't got any tips for my parting tool yet. But saying that, it's done remarkably well. Square the tool up, make sure it's square. I know for a fact it's dead on centre height. Not quite enough. Not enough just to take a little skim, cut off the end. Right, interrupt and cut, there we go. Once you get past the hex bit, it's not too bad, but you've got to be brave and just wind it in. Slow things down a bit, I think. Putting paste won't help. Won't help. Won't hurt you. Very end. Right, original nut, 0, nut I've just made, measure that, 1.31 and take it down to the correct size. Could be through 1.31 millimeters, 1.31 fanny's hairs, doesn't matter. Very nice and true. Just touch it off and I can zero me readout. I'll run a tap through again from the, as I say, just to clean that up. A little chamfer on this side, not a great big one. That's it. Got the hexes to put on it now. That's a nut done. Milling cutter now and put those crosses in. It's slightly bigger, but it doesn't make any difference because we normally use adjustable spanners anyway. So. Right, so I've made the nuts, so I'm back to where I was before I started the job now. There's a few ways of doing this, but this is a method I've chosen. Had it been a bit of ordinary steel, I would have left the nut long, turned it round and put it into a collet chuck. But we're just going to do it this way with a little miserable milling cutter. I can turn it round and that's going to index it back in the same place each time. So we'll gently touch it off. Plenty of speed, loads of RPMs. Glasses on because it's got a good chance of shot on this. I've got a few cutters this time, so I'm not that worried. Once I get one done, I'm going to put water on it. Gavin twat. Right, Joe, let it go to the stages soon. Right, that's the first one in. I'm going to do multiple cuts this time and put water on it. Don't want to break cutters unnecessarily. So that's the nut made. So now we're back to where we were before we started. I'm sure that nut was on when it came anyway. Got a nice new shiny stainless steel nut on it now. I've had a few people ask about this stop I made it a long time ago. It's simply a piece of bar drilled into there. I've drilled and tapped that, put some threads on there and that's screwed into there. And it does for most things. There's 2 holes in it. I've been going to put another hole in there but I haven't gotten around to it. I've never used it for ages and I've used it twice in the last couple of days. That's all it is. Simple, straightforward, just works. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do. It does make a big difference. Anyway, thanks for watching. Come on, focus, you scabby bastard. Thank you.